President Donald Trump said this week it is highly unlikely he'll fire Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell.
As Julia Benbrook reports, his remarks come a day after sending a different signal to lawmakers in a private meeting.
As President Donald Trump continues to push for lower interest rates, Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell has been a frequent target of his frustration. Trump has recently turned his attention to a $2.5 billion renovation plan at the Federal Reserve building, suggesting the over-budget refurbishment could offer grounds for removal. A senior White House official told CNN in a meeting with lawmakers this week that Trump polled attendees on whether he should fire Powell. The next day, though, Trump told reporters in the Oval Office that while he never rules anything out, it is highly unlikely.
Are you completely ruling out the idea of firing Jerome Powell?
I don't rule out anything, but I think it's highly unlikely unless he has to leave for fraud. I mean, it's possible there's fraud involved with the $2.7 billion renovation.
Have you drafted a letter?
I haven't drafted a letter.
So you didn't show a letter to Republican lawmakers last night?
No, I talked about the concept of fire him. I said, what do you think? Almost every one of them said I should. But I'm more conservative than they are.
While he says some GOP lawmakers have encouraged the concept, others have expressed concern about the effects on the stock market. The Fed's independence is a cornerstone in U.S. financial markets, and if Trump were to take the unprecedented step of removing Powell at the helm of the central bank, there could be a revolt in global markets, including the possible collapse of the dollar and U.S. bonds. At the White House, I'm Julia Benbrook.